What's up, y'all? It's your boy June. So I'm over here at my place of business, and next door to my shop I have this awesome little lake here, and the lake has been calling my name for months. Been dying to put my jet ski in it. So guess what I'm doing right now? Yep, we're putting the jet ski in it. Let's do it. So real quick, before we go any further, make sure you hit that like button. Peace. I've been dying to do that. That's a nice little area. I've never done it before. You gonna rip it? Rip it. Oh, you ain't good. Oh yeah, nice. That's how it's done. It's go time. This guy has to disconnect. All right, let's go ride this little canal here at my shop. Whoa. Here we go. That was fun. You know how long I've been waiting to do that? I've been waiting to do that for so long. Ever since I got my ski, I've been waiting to do that. That was fun. That was real fun. Real fun. Woo! Wow. You guys want to see more of that? Give me a thumbs up on this video and leave me a comment. Or maybe hit some more little areas like little lake canals, whatever the hell you call these. Let's do it. I'm out of breath. Whew. That took a lot out of me for some reason. I guess I got too excited. I was out there rubbing it, but I was a little scared because I don't know how deep this thing is. I mean, it's a runoff pond. Water comes from the bigger lake on the other side, feeds off in here. Whenever it rains really bad, it fills up pretty bad. So I really don't know how deep it is. I've seen how high it gets, but don't know how deep it gets. That was pretty dope. If you guys want to see that again, or see me just do some craziness out there, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you like this video. But fun. We got some more coming. Get ready for 2020, baby. June's World. Florida Ski Riders. We're coming big. We're coming harder this year. Let's go. We got a little problem. Can't get her out. It's his fault right there.
It's not my fault. Thank God we didn't try it with the double.
Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, we'll figure this out. So we got stuck. Couldn't get her out, but we pulled her out anyway. We got this. It's okay, little complications, but you know, this is not a boat ramp, so we making do. And plus, it just rained, so the ground is way wet. I don't know. I may be doing this more often. That was kind of fun. We got our own little water park right here, right next to the shop. I don't know why I haven't done this sooner. Should have been done this.